What's up, my friend? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to your myEcon 2025 Success Stories playlist. Got another awesome video for you today. Again, average everyday people that plug into our system, all starting from scratch and getting great results with their myEcon business. And we're going to dive right into it. Now, if you haven't made it to this playlist, if you haven't checked out any other videos here in this playlist, do yourself a favor, links in the description down below. I got a lot more info down there. Number one, if you're ready to get started, I have that join link right there. You'll be joining me directly. I'll give you over $11,000 in 100% free value just for activating your myEcon membership. Literally everything you need. If you need to see the tutorial on that and figure out what all that $11,000 in free value actually is, that link is also in the description down below. You can head on over to my video, watch it, get fully informed, make an informed decision for yourself in your future. Also, there are some other links down there too. So again, after this video is over, if you need more info, links in the description down below. Also, too, do me a favor. If you're new to the channel, you're just checking out myEcon, you're saying, hey, is this a vibe? Is this a fit for me? Is this my thing? Go ahead and smash that subscribe button. It really does help the channel. Also, hit that bell icon so you get notified anytime I upload new content here to my channel, and you will be the first to know. So let's dive right into it today. Now, here we're going to go over to this profile right here. We're going to check out someone named Nicole. Now, Nicole is uber consistent, not Uber like the app. I'm talking like Uber as in like a lot, right? She's very consistent, okay? She is a platinum on our team. So, like I do with all of the videos that are here inside of this playlist, we're showing you two main things, okay? We show you what they're doing to get these results, and number two, how they're doing it. And that's really what you need to know and understand. Like when you start your own home-based business, when you hopefully get started with myEcon, when we plug you into our proven to convert system and you start following our methods, you really need to know and understand two things: what you're going to do and how you're going to do it. And that's what we've been showing you with all of these different success stories that are in here. And by the time you watch this video, there might be a dozen or 2 dozen or who knows how many, but we just have people that keep getting results, and I just keep sharing those results with you. So it's up to you. Do you want to just keep watching other people get results, or are you ready to get some results yourself? What do you think? I think you deserve some results. Hit those links down below. Let's get you started. Okay. So anyway, Nicole, she is a platinum. Now, in order to get to platinum, you need at least 15 people on your team or 15 personal sales. So obviously, Nicole has gone out there and done the work. Now, what specific work did she do? Let's talk about that. What specific work did she do to get to EVP Platinum? Well, now she went into our team training site, like I've shared with you before. And how did she start learning how to do this work? Well, she went through, she watched this video, okay, this main video right here. She plugged into our Facebook group. She's learning live 5 times a week how to do stuff, cool, make money, all that good stuff, right? We show everybody that. She went in here. She downloaded her Funnel Team app. This is exclusive to our myEcon team. Can't get this anywhere else. Don't ask me. If you're in myEcon, you're on someone else's team, don't ask me for my app. I'm not going to give it to you. Sorry, not sorry. It's made just for us, okay? Now, in here, you go to set up your domain links. That's right here, setting up your domain and links. It's where you get your custom coded to you myEcon funnel team sales funnels. We give you multiple sales funnels to choose from. They all convert. Some of them convert extremely well. And then Nicole went here, okay, into this section right here to start promoting. This is where people go and you take the action. This is where action cures fear. Okay, this is where you get over yourself and decide, hey, do I want to live in fear or do I want to go make money? What do you want to do? Nicole said, hey, I want to go make money. So she went here. Okay, she clicked on this video right here. This is, and I've shown this in multiple other videos here on this playlist. They watch this video. We show you what to do, how to do it. Here's how you go set up your accounts. Here's how you literally go into our vault, grab a piece of content, upload it to your phone, post it to social media. I mean, simple stuff here, guys. Simple. Then what's really cool is as you start taking action, we show you how to get good. Just like if you were to start a brand new job, would your boss or employer, would you want to learn how to do just the bare minimum at your job, like just enough to get by, just enough to make minimum wage? Would you want to know just the minimum things that you can do so you barely get by? Or would you maybe want to increase your value, increase your skills, learn more so you can get better at it and you can make more money? Well, that's what Nicole decided to do. So she watched this video right here, how to get good at the process. We even teach you how to communicate with your leads as you start generating your leads. You start hearing that ching notification on your app, which means you're generating leads. You have access to those leads. Those leads are 1000% yours, my friend. They're yours. They're on your phone. You can follow up with them whenever you want. And the good news is, we're also going to follow up with your leads for you on the back end. We do the email marketing for you. It's part of the over $11,000 in free value that we do for you. It's part of your done for you system with myEcon when you partner with the funnel team. Okay. Anyway, so Nicole started going through this stuff, right? Now, once she started doing that, this is what it looks like on her end. Okay. So we're going to go over here to her Facebook profile. Again, she's a platinum. She took action, started from scratch, started making sales. Like, does she have like millions of friends? Like you can't keep using the excuse of, oh, they have a following. Well, cool. Nicole started from scratch. Literally only has 283 friends here. However, there's a however in here. She started taking massive action, started posting very consistently on two different platforms. Nicole is currently using two different platforms. She's using Facebook. She's using TikTok. I'll head on over to TikTok here in a second. Okay, you can see her profile here. Nothing crazy. You got her picture, got her cover photo, right? Here's what's cool. Just by her taking action here on Facebook, she already has over 8,000 followers. But again, before you can use that excuse of, well, she's got a lot of followers, this is a brand new account. Just like Cynthia and Clint and so many other people here on this playlist, she started this account from scratch when she started her myEcon and funnel team business. Scratch. From zero. Please remember this. Let it sink in. Get this through your head. Everyone starts at zero. It's up to you if you want to stay there. Keep making excuses, keep blaming others, keep using that crutch and leaning on it, insert excuse here. Or you can just go do the damn work. It's simple. I mean, it's not rocket science. So anyway, Nicole followed our training. I'm going to walk you through it right now. Real simple. She followed the training right here, what the process looks like. Okay. She watched this videos. She learned how to get good at the process. She went out there, took action. She's posting videos. Okay. Looks like 2 to 3 videos a day is what she's doing here on her brand new Facebook account that she just started when she did her business. Then she also created a TikTok account. Okay. Gonna head on over here to her TikTok account. Again, you guys can see right here. Okay. Got almost 8,000 followers. Very similar to the same amount of followers that she has over on her Facebook account. Okay. So this is one of her accounts. She created a couple accounts. And, we also teach this too. It's really easy to follow. You can literally, instead of just creating one account, you can create two accounts. You can create one piece of content and then post that over, one Facebook account, 2 TikTok accounts, 1 Instagram account. So you take one piece of content, turn it into 4 pieces of content, 5 pieces of content. Simple, right? That's what Nicole's doing. Okay. She's creating these videos. And you see some of these, I mean, look at these, 3,000 views, 151,000 views. Just absolutely awesome right there. So how is she making sales in myEcon? Well, simple. Just like many other people here on this playlist. She followed this process here. Again, we explained to you what that process is. This is what the process looks like. This is how to get good at it. We teach you how to go create these types of videos, these short form videos that you guys are seeing right here. We teach you how to create these. And specifically, now let's get a little deeper. We specifically teach you what to say in those videos. That, like literally you see her here talking, like you can see the opening. I'll show you like the opening line right here. What if you could control your own income? Okay. What if you could decide how much, Anyway, she uses 2 hooks. She's using 2 hooks in that video, right at the beginning of the video. And I'm sure if I went to every video here, okay, you want to learn how to supplement your income. Boom, another hook. Okay. Okay. Stop going to bed at night and endlessly scrolling. Attention grabber. Okay. Where does she learn that information? Where does she learn what to say in those videos? Right here. 4-point formula. It's just a marketing formula. That's all it is. We teach you a 4-point formula that starts with a great hook in your videos. So if Nicole could literally start from scratch, learn what to say it, how to do all this stuff, how to figure all this stuff out, okay? If she could learn marketing formulas, how to record a video, how to edit a video, how to put like these little headlines on there, how to put the words on the screen, what to say in the videos, if she could learn all that and then go make sales, you can too. So if you want to be like all of these other people that I keep showcasing to you and letting you see, again, letting you know those two things. What are they doing and how are they doing it? You have those answers. You know exactly right now what other people are doing to get results. Just make a decision. Decide if you want to go do it. Do you want to make more money? Do you want to make sales? Do you want to make daily commissions, weekly commissions? Do you want to add an extra 500 to 1,000 to $10,000 to your bank account every single month? Decide. The choice is up to you. You know what to do and how to do it. Just go do it. That's it. If you need that information, if you need to get started, you need to get to this playlist here. You need to see my tutorial. All that is in the link down below. Links in the description down below. See a little like more dot dot dot. Open that up. You see all the descriptions, everything you need below these videos. All that info is right there. Go ahead, get yourself started. If you have any questions for me at all whatsoever, left my phone number right at the top of this video. Send me a text message. Ask me something. Let me help you get out there, kick some ass, and take some names. Otherwise, if you made it to this point in the video, you're freaking awesome. I appreciate you. If you haven't already, go ahead, smash that subscribe button, ring that bell icon. Get notified anytime I put a new video here in this playlist, anytime I upload a new video to my channel. You'll be the first to know. And that is the good way to go here in 2025 because there's going to be awesome stuff coming. Just you wait and see. Appreciate you, my friend. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one.